Hello, my name is Camila Guamán from 2A2 and I come to present a cooking recipe. Next present the recipe for an omelette. Potato tortilla, also known as Spanish tortilla, is one of the most emblematic dishes of Spanish gastronomy. It is believed that its origin dates back to the 18th century in the region of Extremadura or Navarra. Although it's popularly spread throughout Spain, it is a simple but delicious preparation that combines eggs, potatoes, and onion, and can be served hot or cold as a main dish or as a tapa. The ingredients are 4 and 5 large potatoes, 1 large onion, 6 eggs, and extra virgin olive oil and salt to taste. The introduction are 1. Don't forget to peel the potatoes and cut them into the olives. 2. Once that's done, peel and chop the onion into small pieces. 3. Start by eating a generous cup of extra virgin olive oil over medium heat in a large skillet. While that eating up, add the potatoes and onion when the oil is hot. 5. Cook over medium-low, stirring occasionally until the potatoes are tender but not browned, about 10 or 15 minutes. You'll need 6. You need to beat the eggs in a large bowl and season with a pinch of salt to taste. 7. Once the potatoes and onion are cooked, drain them well and add them to the bowl with the beaten eggs mixed well. 8. In the same skillet used to cook the potatoes, remove the excess oil, leaving only a small amount. 9. Pour the mixture of eggs, potatoes, and onion into the skillet and spread it evenly. 10. Cook over medium low for about 6 and 7 minutes until the tortilla is cooked on the bottom and like golden. 11. With the help of a large plate or lid, flip the tortilla to cook the other side. You can slide the tortilla onto the plate, then flip it and slide it back into the skillet to cook the other side. 12. Cook for another 5 or 7 minutes until golden and cook through. 15. Once ready, remove the tortilla from the heat and let it rest for a few minutes before cutting it into portions and serving it hot or cold. Enjoy this delicious Spanish tortilla.